Don't fall down, I rather fall up. I'm tryna get Drake down into the mall up. A lot of niggas hate now and some show love, but a nigga boss down and I'm bossed up.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Fernanda, if you guys don't already know. And you guys better subscribe if you guys don't know me. But if I did this look right here, I love the look so much. You guys could do it any color you guys want. I decided to do it blue because I just feel like it looks way better. But yeah, this is the look I did right here. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look right here, then just keep on watching.
You get a little bag and take it to the store. Get a little cash. You shake it real fast, you get a little more. I got bands in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I got.
The palette I'm using today is the Jacqueline Hill palette X Morphe palette, and we're gonna be going in with a blue type of aqua color, this one right here, and the name is called Jada. So we're gonna be grabbing that and we're gonna be placing this all over my eyes, like everywhere. And yes, I did prime my eyes. I primed them with concealer. I used the Glamour Flaw concealer in shade Light, and I also did my eyebrows off camera. So I'm just gonna be adding this shade all over my eyelid, and then once I have that, I'm gonna go in with my blending brush. This is my Morphe 576 blending brush, so I'm just gonna be blending this out. Once it's blended, I'm gonna use my other palette. This is the Morphe James Charles X Morphe palette, and going in with this blue, and it's like dark blue, so we're gonna place this right inside the crease. This shade is called Playground. So we're going to be cutting my crease, and I did blend off camera. So we're just going to be using the Glamour Fall concealer in shade Light, and I'm going to be cutting my crease halfway. The brush I'm using is the Morphe E19 brush. It is a lip brush, but it's perfect to cut my crease with. So this is why I love it. And to set my eyes, I'm using the shade in the James Charles palette. It's called Flashback, and I'm just going to be setting my concealer in place. And going in with the James Charles palette again, using the shade Hello right inside the crease, my eyelid. I'm going to be applying this shade right here. Playground and Jada to the end of my crease, so it could just blend in well when I had cut the crease, so this could blend nicely. So I'm using those two shades to blend this all together. I sketched the line, the V line right there. Then I added some primer, the NYX primer, and then I am adding the silver glitter on top.
Aunque sin ti me va mejor. ahora tengo a otras que me lo hacen mejor. Si antes yo era un hijo de puta, ahora.
So I did my face off camera, and I'm going to be doing my highlighter on camera. So the highlighter I'm using is the Becca Champagne Pop, and I'm going to be placing this right inside my inner corners of my eyes. And I'm also going to be placing this in my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose, and my cupid's bow, because those are the areas I love to highlight. So I'm just going to be highlighting those places with the same highlighter. The lipstick I'm using today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in shade Ashton. It is a nude, my favorite if you guys don't already know. So I'm going to be placing this all over my lips. Since the lipstick is matte, I love to go in with a gloss. This is the Victoria's Secret lip gloss in Love Berry. It smells so good, and I just love this together. I love this with my Fenty Beauty or my Victoria's Secret, and it's so bomb. Look, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And if you guys love this look, tell me down below because I want to know. And yeah, guys, see you guys next week.